boys and girls. You wouldn't believe this. Mr. Smith painted a baby chick with some paint, and I painted it with a plastic fork. Unbelievable. Just watch. I'm going to first start out with making some diagonal lines. 2 diagonal lines on the left, 2 on the right. 2 diagonal lines connecting each of the other diagonal lines. In the center, we're making 2 straight lines with diagonals connected to them. Now, we're going to close them off, and it looks like we got 2 upside down forks. But these are going to be the baby chick's legs. I'm making 2 horizontal lines, but I'm not going all the way across. This is going to be our horizon line, which separates the sky from the ground. I'm making a circle, and that's going to be the circle for the baby chick. I need to erase anything that's inside that circle so we don't see it when we pull out our special painting supply. Now I'm going to start painting horizontal blue lines across for my sky. And I'm going to try to cover up all of the white, and I'm going to try not to get any blue on my circle. I'm coming close to it, but I'm not going to try to get across the lines where my baby chick will be. And then right after that, I'm going to color in my baby chick's legs with orange colored pencil. You can use whatever you have: colored pencil, marker, crayon, pencil. It doesn't matter. Whatever you have, it's fine, as long as you're creating and having fun. Now, I'm using some green paint, and I'm making vertical lines. I'm going up and down. Most of the time I will go up and down, except around the toes where I do have to paint a couple lines in there horizontally. I'm going to try to cover up every single bit of white that I can. Now, this painting set I purchased it at Walmart, one of the few places we can go to, because Walmart is a place that sells food, and food is definitely an essential place to go to if you're going to the supermarket. But they also have very economical art supplies, just in case mommy and daddy are interested in getting something to help keep you creative while we are inside. Well, I'm painting a little bit more green in there for some stems. I'm going to paint some flowers in there later. I want to make it look like I have a little texture, so it's not just a flat green. And it's almost that time for my magic painting utensil. I'm painting with a fork, boys and girls. Look, I'm making wonderful lines, and I'm turning it all around, going around this circle. Well, my little baby chick, he's going to be so cute. And I'm going to use 2 yellows on him. I'm starting with the darker, deeper yellow first. And you see, I've painted with the fork going in, and I finished up with the fork going out. And I'm trying to go over everything so I don't have any white. Now I'm going to use my lighter color yellow. It's more like a fluorescent yellow, but it doesn't look that bright on top of this yellow. And I'm going to go around and around and around till I almost get all the white covered up. All right. Now, I'm going to paint some more stems in here, and then I'm going to put some flowers. I'll use some pinks and some oranges and some reds. I'm not going to do a lot of flowers, just a couple little flowers, and most of them, they're either curving lines or little dots. They're real simple to do. And then I'll go back in with some more green for the stems. But now it's time to make our baby bird's beak. What shape is that? Did you say triangle? You're right, and I folded that paper in half, so when I cut that triangle out, I'm going to get 2. Now I'm going to...
Look, he's talking. Hello, how you doing?
I'm going to put some glue on him. Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's put it right in the center, and let's see if it says anything. Are you going to say anything?
Hello. Hi.
Okay, we're going to put 2 eyes in there, 2 little dots of glue. And I just happen to have a few wiggly eyes here. I thought that would be cute. Now I know you're probably not going to have wiggly eyes, so you can just paint some eyes in there, draw some eyes in there. If you got some paper, just cut some out, and it would be fun. Now I'm going over the stems underneath the flowers to make them stand out. And I'm getting close to the end of having fun making my cute little fork painted baby chick. I never knew I could paint with a fork. That's something. I'm so glad you came to spend some time with Mr. Smith today. I miss all of you so much. Please come back again. We're going to have some more fun, making some more art in Mr. Smith's art room for kids. Alright? Take care. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe. Listen to your parents. Do what they say. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.